Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel. I want to appreciate everyone for all the time you keep watching my video. I appreciate you so well. God bless you. Do you desire a solid lasting soap that lathers so well and very strong, the kind of soap that doesn't shrink, with addition of salt in your soap? I mean little salt in your soap. So let's get into it. Sorry about the video. I was outside and of course the sun was already reflecting. Sorry about that. So what you see me mix is my caustic solution. I have 38 grams of caustic solution with water over 95, and in it I've already put my salt solution, and that's what you see me do. Okay, that's the salt solution I'm pouring, and then some of them did not dissolve, so maybe when you are doing yours, use warm water to dissolve it. Okay, so in that caustic solution I've put my desired color. Yes, I use water color, water soluble color, so it's already inside my caustic soda instead of putting it during batter. Okay, so that's what you see me do. I'm pouring my caustic solution to it, and then I mix. Okay, just mix it very well and you have a very solid soap. So in other words, I will tell you other things later in the comment section when you reach me there. Okay, so you just mix it together, and then adding salt to your soap makes it strong, make it harder. Okay, and it doesn't shrink, it don't let it shrink. Okay, so what is the next thing? I use my mold. You can see I've made so many colors before with different ingredients. I'll be spelling every one of them to you later. So I put it in my mold, and then when you put it in your mold, make sure you level it. It's as simple as that. Your soap is ready. Your soap is ready. Yes, put it in your desired. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet. God bless you. And as you subscribe, please put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content like this, you will be among the first set of people to get it. See you in my next video. God bless you. When it's dry, I will let us see it. Sorry for the reflection of the sun.